Alexa, turn on humidifier.
Dreo brought the cutting-edge technology to its brand new HM713S humidifier. It can be switched between cool and warm mist with one click. And the dynamic mist is unleashed by a powerful air blower with up to 3,900 RPM. The high-efficiency PTC heating element generates a warm mist of up to 133 degrees Fahrenheit. The warm and cool mist evaporates in the perfect range for comfort. The Dreo app lets you control your device wherever you are. The pioneering humidity sensor is twice as precise as other humidifiers. Combined with the indicator and ambient light, the HM713S gives you the humidity at a glance. The aroma tray and sleep mode creates a better sleep atmosphere. Furthermore, the long runtime and quiet operating sound guarantees the HM713S is the best sleep companion. It is easy to clean with a lift-to-remove water tank and modular design. The HM713S is the ultimate solution to humidify your home and comfort your family.